Hey guys, so today we're converting the Wltoys 12428 to a brushless system. For this conversion we needed a new ESC motor, a servo, a radio controller and a receiver. Now you might also need a new motor mount and pinion gear, as they can be really hard to remove from the old motor, and you also might want to get a new servo mount if you don't want to cut the bracket, because most servos are slightly bigger than the stock one, so they won't fit in place. You might also need to drill a new hole to mount the servo as well, but I was able to use an existing one with this setup. So this video is just going to be a quick run through of how I converted the car, but if you want to see a more in-depth how-to style video, or even just a video talking about which components I used and why, let me know in the comments section down below. Okay, and with all that said, let's get started by removing everything that we can't reuse in the car. Now for the servo, I tried a few different things and I had no success until I used a piece of wood and filed it down to size. Now, as you might have seen earlier, the car doesn't move forward very well. I ended up finding out that it was because the battery was low, so once I changed that out, it was working okay. Now stay tuned for the next one, so I'm going to be doing a driving video in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.